Now let me show you how can we do the page setup with the help of Lisp. You can download the VLX file from my website. You'll get a RAR file. You can just extract that one. So you'll get a VLX file inside the folder. To add that one, either you can do upload or just drag and drop to your Autocad. So this way we can just open the Autocad and drag and drop the VLX file. So you can access my plugin. Just type ep_layout. It will open a pop-up. First we are setting the layer, so you can choose the color, whichever the color you want. Then we have to choose the page number format. Just pick any of your page number font format. That's all. You can just start. You can start the which page number should be started. I just go with 0 or 1. I keep 1. Okay, so you can just copy paste the number. This will automatically generate the next number, so it will be easier for you to make the page numbers. This is just need to understand to program. This is the page number area. Then you have to set up only the first page layout. Okay, so just if you can go for the node to scale method, or you can also choose the scale method. I'm going with the node to scale method. Okay, after that you just again type my command, then you will see a VPO button. Just click that and make sure you selected viewport. This will generate a rectangle inside the model space. See, you can see the rectangle there. This will understand this is the page limit. Make sure the number, the font and the rectangle is on the same layer, which is system generated. Just copy the rectangles and just paste. This will be your page limit, which is going to be zoomed by the program. So we can also understand this is the limit which is going to be covered by the viewport. Once you finish that one, we just need to inform program this is the model. To make that, we have to rename the model to 0, 1. Okay, you can do this manual method or just press the delete all button. It will automatically rename to 1. After that, you can generate directly. This time I'm making the unlock method. The viewport will be unlocked. That's all. You prepare all the layouts. The page number will be representing the layout number, so it will be more easier. This time I made the pages which is just unlocked. Let's go for the locked method. So I'm just deleting all. Okay, I'll generate again. This time I'll make sure the tick button is there. Okay, so we'll make the tick button, then generate layouts. This method will make all the layouts with a locked viewport. See, this is locked. That's all. You finish all the works. Even if you have 100 layouts, you can do that one. These rectangle and the numbers I always keep. If you want, just delete. It's not an issue. Then you can go to the always publish option. Just publish that one. I just publishing to desktop, so I can see this is nothing making any issues with while we are publishing. Let me open the published PDF. See, everything is fine. Make sure your page setup was proper, otherwise there will be an issue. That's all. So you can go to the website and look for the layout manager.